guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. You can stop looking for lasagna recipes now because this is going to be the one. So to get started, I have my lasagna noodles here, and I'll be using some chorizo sausage. If you would like to use Italian, feel free. I have some ground beef as well and some mozzarella cheese. I have some prago sauce, cream cheese, ricotta cheese. I have some fresh parsley, Parmesan cheese, some sharp cheddar, and I have my aromatics here, which are bell peppers, celery, garlic, and onion. I have some Italian seasoning, 1 egg, some bouillon, garlic and onion powder, seasoned salt, black pepper, ranch seasoning, and some brown sugar. So let's prepare the ricotta mixture. Here I've added about 4 ounces of cream cheese. I added the whole jar of ricotta, and then I went in with some Parmesan cheese and parsley, as well as 1 egg. You want to mix the combine and set that aside. Next, we're going to boil our lasagna noodles, and I just like to boil them plain because my meat sauce is so flavorful. You don't want to run the risk of making the dish salty. So I don't salt the noodles, I just boil them until they're al dente. Next, we're going to be preparing the meat sauce. So I added my sausage and ground beef in here, and we're going to cook them until they release all the moisture and see if it needs to be drained. Now that the moisture is released, I don't think it needs to be drained. It didn't have a lot of oil. I will use the little bit of oil there to cook my aromatics. So in with the aromatics, we will give it a good mix and allow it to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Oh, and I forgot that I added 1 tablespoon of green seasoning, which is optional. That will just add a bit of flavor to the meat. I will not be seasoning the meat because the chorizo sausage is packed with flavor and it will carry over to the ground beef. So like I said, let that go for about 4 minutes, and then we will go in with this sauce now. We will add the seasoning, we will add our brown sugar, and we will give everything a good stir. I did went in with some water in the jar just to make sure we get everything out of there. And yeah, just mix everything well. We will sit the lid on and allow this to go for about 20 to 30 minutes on low heat. After about 30 minutes, we'll remove this from the heat and start assembling our lasagna. Now to a 13 by 8 lasagna dish. I will add some of that meat sauce down first, and then we will go in with our noodles. We will add our ricotta mixture to the noodles, and then we will go in with some meat sauce. We will top that with our mozzarella cheese and add a handful of Parmesan cheese. And we will continue this process until we reach, 3 layers. I like to do 3 layers because that's what the dish can hold and fit. So yeah, we will just, repeat the same steps, and then I'll tell you what to do next. So for this last layer, you just want to add the noodles, your meat sauce, and a combination of mozzarella, sharp cheddar, and Parmesan cheese over top. We will not be adding any ricotta here. So like I said, you add your meat sauce, then you go in with the cheese, and we will cover this and place it in a 375-degree oven for about 40 minutes or so. The last 10 minutes, you want to remove the cover and allow it to become nice and golden brown over top. After about 45 minutes, the lasagna is done. It smells amazing. I like to garnish with fresh parsley and allow it to sit for about 30 minutes before serving. You don't want to dig into this right away. You want it to sit first, or else it will be a big soupy mess, and we do not want that. And now for my favorite part, let's dig in. Guys, when I tell you my mouth was watering the entire time, I could not wait for this to be done. It was so flavorful, rich, and absolutely amazing. This will be your new family's favorite, trust me. I can't wait for you all to try the recipe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up shirt and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box. And I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. And as always, enjoy.